What up guys, it's your boy Cielshock, and today we're back here at my page. So me and my son already stripped the whole Metropolitan, as you can see, because we're gonna change the body panels, but we are going to install this since it was already dismantled. We're gonna do the Wiruswin. That's a catch can. That's a catch can breather actually. So this is made from Japan. This is specifically made for a Honda Dio, I think. I'm not sure if it's a Honda Dio because there's nothing one for a Honda Metropolitan. I'm not sure what it is for, but I think it would work here. So if you guys are wondering what's the purpose of the breather, the oil breather actually makes the flow of the oil, instead of being stagnant and closed over there on the engine, it will have a little flow, because if there's a breather, there's a smoother flow of oil. So that's what we're gonna do today, and it should be easy. So let's go. So I already opened everything, what's inside the box. As I've said, a breather catch can, oil catch can, is to make the engine oil flow smoother because it will not be sealed. So this is the catch can, oil catch can, and there's a wool filter inside. So any air that will go inside the engine, it will not be dirty because it will be filtered, and it's stainless, so there's no gonna be rust or anything. But we have this bracket also, and we have this hose right here. It's pretty nice, and we are going to replace the dipstick with this adapter right here. It's pretty nice color blue, which actually match the thing. And what else we got? And we got this 12mm socket, so we can use to unlock. That's what we're gonna use to remove the nut right here. And then we need a, what is this, 14mm, so we can unloose and tighten up all these bolts right here that we're gonna use for the bracket. We have this one. We need a screwdriver, flat screwdriver for the seals for the hose that goes like that. We have this one, this foam right here if ever we need it. And that's pretty much it. It's self-explanatory. It's easy. Obviously you don't have, you guys are not supposed to forget all the O-rings right there to seal the adapter. And I'm thinking maybe putting it here so it looks crazy amazing, but I think I'm gonna put a bracket over here and put it like that, make it look like more aggressive, a little bit more style. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and let's do this. Let's do step by step, one by one. All right, so what we're gonna do first is, sorry about that loud Camaro right there. So first we are going to remove this bracket, because I'm gonna try to put a bracket right here and see if I can put an adapter over there, make it higher. We are going to need a 6mm Alice wrench right there. And then we need that number 12. Where's the 12? I have the 12 right here. And then we're gonna loosen it up. Oop, it's not stuck. There you go. Take that out, pretty easy. So now that we removed the bracket, I actually decided not to use this bracket after we remove this. I'm just gonna use this 12mm bolt and nuts, and we're just gonna put it right here, and I think it looks cleaner and flush. My son agreed with it too. We're just probably just gonna cut the hose, make it shorter, make it look clean. So that's what we're gonna do right here. Light it up with the egg sauce and tighten it up like this. Tightening it up by hand right now so I can see what it looked like, and that should be what it looked like, and it seems pretty clean to me. Okay, now that we install it, that's what it's gonna look like. We are going to put this adapter through the hose. Don't forget to put your 2 O-rings. I always put 2, but some people just put 1 just in case you need to tighten it up. That's what we are going to replace here in the dipstick. So that's the dipstick. You see our oil is pretty good. It's dripping right now. And that's what we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna put the O-ring right here. And that's how it should seal. Sits pretty good. Good. Alright, so to tighten it up, we're going to use 17. Easy as 1, 2, 3 like that. I'm gonna make it sealed as possible. And we'll do our change oil. Remember, we use 17. That should be good. Looking good so far. Oh, yeah. So now we are going to install the hose. I already slided it in here over here. And now I don't want it too long because that looks really ugly. Too long. So I'm gonna cut it with scissors. You can use cutter whatsoever. So we can actually have it like that. So let's cut it. You can use cutter too if you want. Just be careful cutting. You have to even it out. There you go. And then we can slide it like that when we need to. But we have to put the clamps. Don't forget to put the clamps like this. Same with the other one. Comes with clamps. So it seals it. That's how it's gonna look like. And it seems like it looks pretty good. It's like looks really flush to me. So we are going to tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and tight, so there's no really air, like no leak or no nothing that is gonna come out. And there you go. I mean, I can make it a little bit more shorter so it's not bulging like that. I like it that way. There's a little bit more, there's a little bend. So we're gonna wipe this down. Obviously the final touch, we're gonna put the Wiruswin sticker made in Japan, and then we're gonna have a B-roll. Pretty easy. And again, this is an oil breather catch can. It actually makes the oil flow smoother than having just a dipstick. Some people may ask, what's gonna happen if it rains? This one is sealed, the hole is underneath, it's filtered with wool. I've been using this with my PCX 160 and it's been good so far. And that's about it. We're gonna have a B-roll. This is Cielshock. Till next time. Peace.